Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with InsureMyTrip comparison site review my usage experience. InsureMyTrip comparison site review my usage experience offers a comparison tool for travel insurance plans. Its main purpose is to help travelers find the best travel insurance policy for their needs by comparing quotes from different providers. The target audience is anyone planning a trip and looking for travel insurance. Key features include comparing coverage options, prices, and providers all in one place. Their website provides details on how to use the comparison tool. It emphasizes ease of use and pricing transparency. You input your trip details, dates, destination, travelers, and it displays a range of plans with their respective costs and coverage. They highlight no hidden fees, although I didn't independently verify this for every provider listed. Availability is worldwide, as long as you're traveling to and from a location supported by their partnered insurance companies. You can check directly on their website for specific details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using InsureMyTrip comparison site review my usage experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply entered my trip details, a 2-week backpacking trip through Southeast Asia, and within seconds, I had a list of options. The interface was intuitive and straightforward. I could easily filter results by price, coverage type, e.g., medical, cancellation, baggage, and provider. The speed of the comparison was impressive, everything loaded quickly and efficiently. The quality of results was excellent, providing a clear and concise comparison of plans. I was particularly impressed by the detailed breakdown of each plan's coverage. I had a quick question about a specific policy's exclusions and their support responded within 24 hours via email. A standout feature was the ability to easily download a PDF comparison of the top 3 plans I selected, making it easy to compare side by side. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Using it on my phone's browser wasn't ideal, especially when comparing detailed coverage options. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with InsureMyTrip's comparison site. It significantly simplified the process of finding suitable travel insurance, saving me a lot of time and effort. That's my overview of InsureMyTrip comparison site review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.